mina ngetsera. Oh, zanganelo, nedo, yo, I kept, yo. Me, I don't know this new thing, but if you on Palama in billion dollars. Guys, lama gama wenu aphala in billion dollar signs. Underscore basemacaleni, no heavy score, no top score. I don't care about fuck, bruh. Just get a name, nigga. Get a good name. Just get a name, normal name, nigga. Fuck. Rappers. Kanyeke lento yamagama or underscore no $1 million signs igama lakho slime Jakadelion kawubhali igama normal yo ayisuka yo guys yo niyadika umuntu igama lakhe ku base afaka ku8 fondo umuntu ngubase igama lakhe afaka ku-V kulanda kwa-A check man kanibhalela igama normal man yasokolisa lento yenu konke usathi artist yo uve umuntu eradweni ngokuthi hayi lo muntu ucula ngubase yo nawe kuyafika kwesakho ubusetaxini Joe kuthi hayi ubase lo becula up ko nawe excited uyafika kwesakho ufuna uvala ngoma uba ngasearcha ayivele kaka because kalo yena ungubased hashtag unguB hashtag $billion sign UE une apostrophe forto niyaphapha nina ha check man. Anyway, whoa, valid crash out. Okay, Jonah lo yo ufuna ndisulu check man check yo sengikhaya koyeka le reaction imnqondo wakho $billion Slie anizo Americans imnqondo yenu anizo Americans but I fuck with my slime Tallrick silly rich. I hope I get it because it becomes difficult to find these songs, super difficult. Look at that shit. It becomes very difficult to find these songs now. Orafama upanga nikopa yonke into nina. Yonke into funeka into enzo ngo Playboy card nikope niyandidika mina nirhuqula man. Nirhuqula ningo Playboy card kalo. Oh, this is clean. What the fuck? Spira. There are chances that I'm not gonna hear anything, like anything they're gonna say, are very high. 95% chance that I'm not gonna hear anything they are saying. Is chances 95%. 95% also chances that it's gonna be a vibe.
Standing on top of a mountain, so we got back on my mountain. So I'm suspicious. And now I'm not like species. But I'm telling you what. And I was fighting the wax. But I'm telling you what. No, I don't know no wash. Hey, it's not a waste, but I'm fresh. Place. What's all I call my vision? Pace. I'm quit you do me in my rush. Treat you in shit, don't make my stings. I think I'm not baby bust. I live in the rap, but it piss. I'm outside, but I need. We try to do it.
Utin chat Uthini uTallrick? Uthini uTallrick? Uthini ungeneno? Uthini ungeneno? Somebody tell me. Uthini ungeneno? Bus. Ndiyazi bus. Ndikhwela uGolden Arrow ibus. Chas. Condom igas. Uthini? Uthini? Ungeneno uthini? Mr. Jones. Cacisa bhuti. Uthini? He's speaking in tongues. He's speaking in tongues, chat. He's speaking in tongues. Nobody knows what he's saying, but it's provocative. Oh my God. Benchilo nalizawa vibes. Vas. Kholi hash. Kabatun kholi hash. Nangu lo mntana ufuna ikhondom uyayibhas. Hayi Golden Arrow. Ay son. I think uphamen unansi ayisho sibira. Ayisho okay. Ayina mntu chaya kakhulu ngaphezulu kwabo bonke ngoayisho sibindi. Oyena mntu chaya kakhulu kunabo bonke ngoayisho sibindi. I think ling Tallrick iyaziqeqa nje. Like in general, I don't think indanda kuye. Like kwayena akavuthwanga uTallrick. Ayiseyo ndanda leya. Yena kwayena ungumntu nje oziqeqelayo. It's fine. I forgive. But cause listen to this shit, man. Because how are you doing that? Yo, that's scary, bruh. That beat is scary, dog. What the fuck?
My pocket got 20 on me to come out deposit and 50 at least. Edward selling a lane. That bitch is stealing on business, still getting beat. You been selling on acid, it's not no sick. Why you gay? You cannot be sick. When I see you on side, I'ma leave you in peace. And the niggas are hard, I do it fishy. Suck a big gentleman. Suck a big gentleman. Yo.
There's no need for that double. There's no need for that shit. Oh my God. Vibes. Spira. I got team Spira. Yo, Spira. Shout out. Slie Rich. These are vibes. Shout out to you, gang. Let's go.